Alright, I said we're going to create the end, but we're going to go ahead and assemble the pegs inside the pegboard. So we're going to go to File, New. This time we're going to still leave it in English, Units, but we're going to go to Assembly. So we're going to go to Assembly and we want a standard assembly. Okay, we're going to go to Place, find the files, and here's your pegboard toy. Alright, first thing we want to place is the pegboard. Now it comes up screen. It doesn't really matter where you click because it's going to take it to the same place every time anyway. You notice once I've clicked my left mouse button, it wants to put another one. Like if you had more than one you wanted to put down, you can keep clicking. But you can simply hit Escape on your keyboard. You can right click, you can select Escape, or you can select OK. Okay, before we go any further, let's right click on here. We can ground it. If you notice a little tack, you can also right click right here and ground it. A little tack shows you that that piece is actually grounded. Okay, let's go place our second piece in there. Let's place the round peg. Click, right click OK. Let's go ahead and place our square peg. And click on that one. I'm going to hit Escape on the keyboard this time. It does the same thing. Alright, to get these pieces to where they go in there but they still slide back and forth, we're going to go to Constrain. We're going to leave it on Mate. We're going to click where that center line is, see what line shows up. Then we're going to go over to the pegboard and do the same thing. Click Apply. We're going to do it. Now this time, you only have to do one mate on the round peg, but when you do the mate here, you need to mate adjacent sides inside here. Doesn't matter which one we select first. I'm just going to select the, because it's a square. Now we got one to work. Now we got the bottoms mated. So I need to go to adjacent side. I'll spin it around so I can select. And sometimes you have to remove the peg to get to it. Hit Apply. I'm going to select the house. And I'll show you these pegs move back and forth. They stay in that line with the pegboard. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create the end piece. We're going to create a part inside the assembly mode, which we haven't done yet.